Very good morning, students. I welcome you all to today's English class. In my previous class, we were doing revision of chapter number 17, that is present continuous tense. Okay, so half revision we have done. Today we will continue this chapter. Again, I will teach you some important questions from this very chapter, and then after we'll move on to next chapter. Okay, and all the questions which I am taking revision, it is my kind request from all of you that do practice that question. Try to learn all the short tricks which I am teaching you while revision. Okay, taking revision of this chapter. Now you see the question is change from simple present tense to present continuous tense. Yesterday also I told you what is present continuous tense? V plus ing. V plus ing. Okay. Before this, if subject is singular, one thing more you have to keep. If subject is singular, you will put is, and if subject is plural, you will put are. Clear? If subject is singular, then you will put is before it, and if subject is plural, then you will put are before it. See how? Let us first of all understand it. The boys. Tell me, what is boys? Boy is singular or boy is plural? Obviously it is plural, so we will put here are. Okay. See how? The boys are. Okay. This we have done. Now tell me, what is the verb here? Study. काम क्या हो रहा है? पढ़ाई करने का है ना? So what is the verb here? Study. In verb what I have told you that we have to add ing. So let us add here. The boys are studying in modern school. Modern school. Done? Yes? Is it easy? Just first of all you have to identify the subject whether it is singular or plural, and then after accordingly you have to make changes. Like see here, my father in second statement, second sentence you see, my father. First of all you tell me my father is singular or plural? It is singular, so what we will put there is my father is. Now what is the verb? Verb means doing words, action words. What is यहाँ काम क्या हो रहा है? You see, sleeping. यहाँ काम क्या हो रहा है? Sleeps. My father sleeps. So in verb what we need to add? In verb we need to add ing. So here we will add my father is sleeping after lunch. See, are we changing the simple present tense to present continuous tense? What is present continuous tense? Verb plus ing. Before that, if subject is singular, you have to change accordingly. Yes? Now let's see last question. We listen to the news every night. Again you see we. We is singular or plural? It is plural. So what we will add? Are. We are. Now यहाँ काम क्या हो रहा है? Listen. सुनने का काम हो रहा है. So it will become listening. We are listening to the news every night. Now do you understand how and what changes we will make? Okay. Now I'll show you the book. Similarly, 3 questions I have explained you. Next, all the questions you will be doing by your own. And even this is important, so you will revise this also. Okay. According to the rules, whatever I have taught you till now, just apply that and do it. Okay. Now we will see revision of chapter number 18. Now, you see chapter 18, simple past tense. Dear students, while I was teaching you this chapter in Zoom, that time only I have cleared you that all this, how to change a verb into its past form, learning it is important. So all these words given in green colored, light green color bracket, you need to learn it. Bite ka, bit, creep ka, crept, built ka, built, blow ka, blew. All this you have to learn. How the things changes, how the verb changes into its past form. Sometimes we need to add ed, sometimes only we have to add d, y changes to I, and then d changes to ed. All these things I have given you, and I have said that it is important also. It will definitely come in exam. So you can see related to this question is given in exercise also. Okay, just open your exercise page number 76. So this is important. Give the past form of the following word. Carry, carried. Pay, paid. So you need to learn this. Okay. And how you will come to know this? Already all the things, the past form of all the words are given in your book itself. You have to learn just like break ka broke, write ka past tense is wrote, come ka came. So all the things you have to learn. This is very very important. Okay, you have to learn it. Now let's see next question, which is important from this very exercise. Now you can see in front of you, I have written down the question as change into simple past tense. So here are some sentences you have given. You have to change it into its past form. Okay, past tense. Simple past tense. Simple past tense means V1 will change to V2. V2 means V1 is present tense. From present tense we have to change verb into its past form. Only verb. You see, let us first of all understand from this second question. Okay, from easy question. The star shine brightly. You tell me what V1 is what? Verb. What is the verb? Verb is doing or action words. चलो यहाँ काम क्या हो रहा है? चमकने का. Okay, shine. The star shine brightly. चमक. यहाँ पे काम हो रहा है shine होने का. Now means verb only we have to change. This verb we have to. This is in present. We have to change in past tense. Now in your question, in your book, what is the past tense of shine? The past tense of shine is shone. So we will change this. The stars shone brightly. Is it clear? First of all, what you have to do is you have to identify verb. किसी भी sentence में verb identify करना है, and then you have to change it into its past form, that is V2. I have already explained to you V2. See, I will show you 1 minute in your book how it is given. 1 minute. Okay. Now shine, shone. You can see the past form of shine is what? Shone. So everything, if you learn all these words, all the verbs, the past form of the verbs given in the green colored box, no, it will be very easy for you to solve. To convert, the cook gives us good food. यहाँ पे cook क्या काम कर रहा है? देने का, giving. Okay. What is the past form of give? Gave. Now let us change. I will not write again. Just I am rubbing this gives, and I will write here gave. The cook gave us food. Now see, we have changed. Gives we have changed into its past form. The past form of gives is what? Gave. Now, let us see next question. He always speaks the truth. Okay, now you tell me what work is being done by he? Speaking. यहाँ बोलने का काम हो रहा है. तो what is the past tense of speaks? The past tense of speak is spoke. So we will rub this and write here spoke. Okay, he always spoke the truth. Beautiful girls are seen here. Okay. Here we will change are to what? Verb. Why verb? If you remember in past tense, if subject is singular, we used to write was, and if subject is plural, we used to write were. Now you see girls. Girls is what? Plural. So this will change to were. Beautiful girls were seen here. Clear? Now we will see one more important question from this very exercise. So now in exam, this type of question can be also asked to you. You see, it is more simple. Fill with simple past tense. It is more easy. What you have to do? Whatever see the verbs are given in the bracket, you have to just what you have to do. It is same like that question. Okay. Only the pattern of writing is different. Here verb is given in the bracket, so you have to fill with this past tense of all this verb. What is the past tense of blow? Blew. It is given in your book. Okay, so you need to learn this. The winds blew furiously. Okay, now why I am filling with simple with only past tense? Because in question it is given fill with simple past tense. Sorry. So whatever words are given in the brackets, so their past form you have to write down here. I dash a dozen apple. Buy. What is the past tense of buy? Bought. I bought a dozen apple. They dash their staff well. Now paid. Past tense of paid will be what? Paid. They paid their staff well. Next, nobody dashed to him. Speak. What is the past tense of speak? Spoke. See, is it easy? So like this, many questions are given in your exercise. Okay, you will practice all these questions. Okay, now we will see revision of chapter number 19. Now you can see, now I am taking revision of chapter number 19, that is past continuous tense. Let us first of all, you will see I have not changed the question. Questions are same, but now we have to. Previously we were doing fill with simple past tense, but now question has changed. Question is filled with past continuous tense. First of all, whenever continuous there is there, that there you have to add be plus ing. Continuous tense का आपको पता है be plus ing will be there. In verb you have to add ing. Now you see in present continuous tense what we were seeing is an are. Remember in chapter number 17 I have taught you. But यहाँ क्या है past. So whenever past is there, what do? Add C. If singular subject will be there, you will be adding was, and plural subject will be there, you will be adding were. This is the trick. Okay? This is the trick. In short, I have explained you. You see, in past continuous tense, what do? You just keep this thing in your mind. जहाँ भी continuous आए, you know in that what we do? In verb we add ing. Now as it is past, what you will do? If singular subject is there, was, and if plural subject is there, were. Now let us see. Okay, the wind. Wind is, tell me, what is wind? Wind is singular or plural? Obviously it is what? Singular. Singular subject, what we will add? Was. The wind was. Now what is the verb here? Verb is given here. Verb plus ing, blowing. Blow plus ing क्या हो गया? Blow plus ing, blowing. The wind was blowing fiercely. This will be your answer. Clear? Now see, I. What is I? What is I? I is also singular. I is singular. So what you will add? If singular subject is there, what do we add? Was. I was. Okay. Now what is the verb here? Buy. In verb, what do we add? ing. I was buying. I was buying a dozen banana apple. They dash their staff well. They is what? They is plural. They were. Okay? They were. Now what is the verb? Verb is pay. They were paying. Pay plus ing, paying. They were paying their staff well. So if you know the trick, if any internal question is also asked in exam, very easily you will be doing. So please write down this trick and keep these tricks in your mind. These are rules. Okay? Nobody is what? Singular. So what you will write there? Was. Nobody was. Now what is the verb? Speak. Nobody speak plus ing, speaking. Nobody was speaking. Nobody was speaking to him. See, we have it done. Done. Yes, this is how revision of chapter number 19 also comes to an end. You will write all these tricks in all the revision classes. I have given you some, in short I have explained you rule. So all those rules you will be writing and try to solve questions given in your exercise by your own. You will see that it will become very easy for you to keep all these things in your mind, okay, and solve questions in exam. Again and again I am reminding you, in exam internal questions will also come, so please revise things very properly. All the questions given in example also, that also you will not ignore. I hope you have understood till here. Thank you.